now after doing all these research, right? So you come out with a compelling core value proposition. This, I'll not talk about much, but try to understand the core value proposition is the outcome of all these things, right? Suppose I'll make a catchy slogan or a catchy ad that Thought Power is a company, just I'm giving example, right? So this is my core value proposition, right? Thought Power is a company which exclusively, work on the entrepreneurship module, creating more and more entrepreneurs, you know, so some catchy slogan I will build up or something I'll say about. So this is called the core value proposition. Now, how this core value proposition came to mind? After the research, after understanding my segmenting, target, and positioning, and after that I can. So the outcome is basically the CVP. CVP is that how you will create a buzz around the market by creating a catchy story. So that is called core value proposition. For example, I'll give you very examples. Most of people are aware about Decathlon. So Decathlon is a company which offers sports, all kind of sport kits and all, right? So what is their core value proposition? Ki wherever they will go, wherever they will establish their center or their shop, they will give the actual feel of the products. So this is their core value proposition. For example, South Wales Airlines in US, their core value proposition is that they will give cheap, they are the flights with the short range or the short distance, right? So they'll not go for the long flights and all. So their core value proposition is like they will always be in the business of short distance. So it's very important that how you propagate your agenda to the people. If you will come to me, I always say for Thought Power, for example, I'll always say that our core value proposition is nurturing the entrepreneurship, right? So this is a core value proposition. Through all, by all means, by funding, by supporting, by connecting with angel investor, by training them. So this is my core value proposition. So I'm just creating a buzz. So this how it all happened actually. It doesn't come suddenly that CVP came suddenly to my mind. Somewhere I worked over years, I understood what is a gap, what is a target market, what is a segment, how to pitch. So finally, I derived a core value proposition. Now, so can you notice my slogan that thought power inspiring potentials, right? So this even slogan is the outcome of the core value proposition. Everything run around every goal, vision, mission, slogan, everything drives from the CVP. Hope friends clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so CVP is the outcome of what research you did, how you have to create a buzz in the market, and how you can create a catchy story so that people should get attracted, or what slogan should be there, what should be your vision, or what should be your mission. This all is has come just because I defined my CVP. So if once you define the CVP is again CVP further leads to the IMS, integrated marketing strategy. So if your CVP is clear, you know what kind of advertisements you will make, what kind of collateral materials you will make, right? How will you pitch your company in social media? How will you create the conferences? What your senior leadership will think? So everything is research based. So research gives you the CVP and CVP gives you the marketing strategies. आपने बहुत बार सोचा होगा, सुना होगा कि मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी है यार, ये मेरा मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी है, बट वो आता कहाँ से है? कैसे बनता है मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी? क्योंकि मैंने सब कुछ स्टडी कर लिया, मैंने ये देखा कि मेरा स्वॉट एनालिसिस में मैं कहाँ स्टैंड करता हूँ, इन सब का कॉम्बिनेशन है सीवीपी, राइट? मेरा टारगेट मार्केट क्या है, मैं उस टारगेट मार्केट के लिए ही बनाऊंगा ना। सीवीपी किसके लिए बनाऊंगा? जिस जिस मार्केट को मैं आज टारगेट करने वाला हूँ। सो सीवीपी से ही सब ड्राइव होता है। इवन आपकी जो स्ट्रैटेजीज है, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज है, सारी सारी किसी भी कंपनी की, वो सब सीवीपी से आती है, और सीवीपी आने तक आपको पूरा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा। सो व्हेन यू आर रजिस्टरिंग अ स्टार्टअप, आप एटलीस्ट यहां तक का, सॉरी, आप यहां तक की जर्नी आपने तय कर लेनी चाहिए बिफोर रजिस्टरिंग एनी स्टार्टअप, एटलीस्ट यहां तक का, because these strategies will be applicable only, once you start a company and all. So if you will present to any investor that, sir, this is my STP, this is my analysis on the blue ocean, red ocean, right? This is my analysis on the positioning. This is my CVP. By default, you'll get the money from the investor. Investor will, assume that you did thorough research on your subject and you came up to CVP. It means that something is there in your idea, because else it won't be possible. CVP means how will you create the buzz in the market for your product or your service, considering all these points, right? So after this research, if you are confident, right, अगर आपको लगने लगा है कि बस अब मैं फेल हो ही नहीं सकता, अब तो कुछ भी हो जाए मैं फेल हो ही नहीं सकता, इट मींस योर एवरीथिंग इज इन प्लेस, यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू एग्जीक्यूट. सो यू रजिस्टर योर स्टार्टअप, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू विद स्टार्टअप. आपके पास पूरा होमवर्क है, आपके पास, आपको मालूम है कि आप रेड ओशन में है या ब्लू ओशन में, आपको मालूम है आपका कंपटीशन क्या है, ये मार्केट जाने वाला कहां पर है 10 साल के बाद, यहाँ पर what is my target market, what is STP, what is positioning, what is my CVP, what is integrated marketing. So everything is in place now. It's time to execute the company. Now execute means here not that suddenly you'll get the funds, right? It means that you can do the experiments, the little experiments for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, so that abhi aapne, in the sense, at least you should get 2-3 clients to whom you can sell your product or service, or with whom you can experiment your research work, whatever you did, right? If you are confident, you can go to the investor also. So here the execution means that at the pilot level, at the low level, so that if tomorrow anything goes wrong also, it will not hamper too much. Right, so it's time to execute. After market research, if you came up to integrated marketing strategy or CBP, it means बस आपके दिमाग में ना कुछ थॉट नहीं आना चाहिए, डाउट नहीं आना चाहिए. आफ्टर द मार्केट रिसर्च, इफ आपके दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है अगर, राइट, इट मींस आपकी कंपनी 100% चलेगी. एक छोटा सा भी डाउट आपको नहीं चलने देगा आपकी कंपनी. ट्रस्ट मी फ्रेंड्स, मेरे दिमाग में जब मैंने कुछ स्टार्ट किया था, जब जब मेरे दिमाग में डाउट आया तब तक वो फेल हो गया, और जब जब मेरे दिमाग में डाउट नहीं आया तब तक वो फेल नहीं हुआ. For example, I was writing a book and I was not aware whether I'll get a publisher or not. But मैंने सारा होमवर्क किया था, right? कि ये publisher ऐसे मिलता है, वैसे मिलता है, इतना आसान नहीं होता है. But I was confident if my product will be good, at least I'll get one publisher, and I got it for my first book I'm talking about. So doubt नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. इस रिसर्च के बाद आपके मन में सारी दुविधाएं जो है ना, all ambiguities, all kind of issues, all kind of backlogs in your mind should not be there for this startup. It is a time to start, it's time to execute. Hope it makes sense, friends.
Yes, sir.
Hope मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा I tried to make it very simple, but I think some terminologies are a little bit on the higher side. But anyhow, with the overtime, you will understand. You Google it, but you will understand what I'm trying to say. This all makes sense. ये आपको as an entrepreneur you should be aware. आपको learn करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको इसमें से कुछ doubt भी है, so with the time you will be familiar with such terminologies. Right, again came back to the same diagram which we shared in the previous session. So ये जो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, this again, explore. So you are exploring here your concept, right? So ये research कर रहे हैं आप, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा इधर उधर friend से fundings ले रहे हैं थोड़ा बहुत, right? So up to here, right, up to this, up to before registering the startup, this is all phases like the market research, the testing, getting some little bit funds for the pilot test. ये बहुत important है. इस patch में you can see you are not earning any profits. You are all are putting, with the time you all are putting the money from your pocket or from your friend's pocket. But here onwards, you'll be earning, sorry, you'll be start earning the profits, right? As per my knowledge, if I'm not wrong, as per my experience and after talking to so many people, this batch normally takes 1.5 years, right? From here up to here, if you're religiously working on any concept, at least 1 year is required. So startup register करना is not a big deal, but उस register करने से पहले you should be confident that it will work, right? Then slowly you will get funds from, some angel investors will come into the picture, venture capitalists will come into the picture to grow your business, and then even banks will start funding. So this is called scalar model, scale up and startup, right? So startup खोलने से पहले आपको बहुत काम करना होता है, and this all is the part of market research. यहाँ पे आप कुछ पैसा नहीं कमा पाएंगे, आपको पैसा जो है आपको डालना ही पड़ सकता है. You have to borrow from your friends, parents, but little bit. It's a pilot testing. But यहाँ से आगे आप पैसा अपने घर वालों से नहीं लेंगे. You should not go, to your parents and ask for the major fundings. It might put them into the trouble. It means if you are not getting the funds from angel investors, right? After doing all this research, I think there is something wrong in your idea. You have to rework. Right. So entrepreneurship is a responsibility, friends, right? And this is what a good thought which I captured for you, right? So make your goals very clear, right? Little bit gambling is also there, maybe 50,000 or 1 lakh or 2 lakh, right? So it's a mixed game. So entrepreneur is a mixture of all categories, right? Strategies are very important, and you'll get a lot of adversities in between. Sometimes your morale will be down, but don't worry, it's part. With this good thought, I'm closing the session, right? Today you'll start thinking, after 2 years you can become entrepreneur.